a battery-powered desktop fan that actually is really powerful. I've already had it out of this box and testing it out. Just kind of like looking over the box here. I think it's from the company WSKEN. WSKEN's the name of the company there. You can kind of see the product sizing on it. The weight is 688 grams. It's 159 by 20 by 120 by 188 millimeters. And let's just, you know what, let's just open it up, because I already opened it up and checked out and actually fully charged it. Came just like this. You get a little pack like this. It has a USB-C cable in it, and then it has a couple little like holders with a little pad, so you can put that little pad down right there and run a cable to it, and then open it up here. You get a little set of instructions, and I can tell y'all there's really not much to it. There's a charge port. It has a display in the front, the little fan speed, decrease, up and down. We won't need the instructions, but check this thing out. Has little rubber feet down here on the bottom for holding it down so it doesn't move around. Let me show you how this thing works. So number one, it's a very premium looking. This is one of the coolest things to say. It has a very premium look. You'd be proud to have that on your desk. Hold that down. Press the one. You can see right there, that's 100. That gives me seeing that 100 come up, that's battery. Here's the fan speed. I'm on 1 fan speed. You can see there's a little logo there. It's not flashing, it's just the shutter speed. Hit the plus. There's a plus and a minus on the top. Plus, I'm at 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. Full power, and that is a lot of power. Look at that. Let's see, can it take this up? Look how big this bag is right here. Watch this. Gone. How about this? Look at that. Is that not awesome? This thing works extremely well. Has a nice kind of like coating around the front. It's kind of like a clear plastic shell around the front. You can't stick your fingers in there or anything, so it's nice protected around all the areas there, because the fan's located so far in the back that it pulls from back there. USB-C charging right here on the back. Seemed to take a little over an hour and some to get it fully charged. When I got it, it was on like 80, but I went ahead and charged it up to 100. Feels really good. I'm going to be using this in my van when I just want to set something up and then like have a nice little kind of fan speed and keep some cool air blowing where I don't need to run a power bank or something like that. One is just barely moving, just enough to keep the fan going. You notice it is a very small hum. So it's got a very small hum to it. I don't hear it at all. Power on this thing, battery capacity is 3,600 milliamp battery. Product size, well, I done told you the product size. I have another fan that I tried, but it's solar powered, so it uses a solar panel. It's mostly for outdoors. This is better for indoors. Has a little place right here where I think you can mount it. Check that out. You could hang this thing up and mount it, which that'd be cool to mount this thing up. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the little small desktop fan. Check it out. See you all in the next video.